Hey, hey, oh, wait.
What you got? Roll out. Rocking chair. This one's called a rocking chair. I know y'all never seen a chair move before, but this is a rocking chair. Hey, hold them. Hold them. Hey, hold them, boys. Hold them. Hey, hey, hey. Step it up. Hey, step it up, boys. Step it up. All right.
Good morning, everybody. It's Aja-Malai with the 20-somethings archive, and welcome back to my channel. So, right now we are kicking it back in Jamaica, Montego Bay. So I'm filming a vlog. I did not get to film a lot yesterday because I was getting off the plane. We had a long flight. We were there most of the day, and then we did just do some walking around. I am with my grandma slash what I call my nana on this trip. It's our birthday trip. Shout out to all the Sagittariuses out there. But yes, we are on a trip in Jamaica, and so you guys will just get to see bits and pieces of my trip. I will try to film as much as I can, and yeah, so just kind of enjoy this trip with me. On our way to breakfast. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. We're on our way to breakfast. Let's see where the day takes us. Look at this view. Yes, look how beautiful it is out here. It's not real. I don't remember. We probably have to ask the lady in the front.
Yeah, because we made
that right there. Not real. Alright guys, we are here for breakfast. Camera. So I got a salmon bagel, mashed potato, or hash brown, bacon, beef stew, potatoes. Nana, what you got on your plate?
Omelet, salmon, with bagel and avocado, a crepe. It's so good.
They put turmeric in the mashed potato. It's yellow.
Potato. Good.
I did two kinds of potatoes. This hash brown and that little yellow potato.
They both good.
Yeah. But everything tastes good smeared in this beef stew sauce. It's sweet. Huh? They're all huge.
Huge.
So we just came back from breakfast and went to the beach down Montego Bay. Shout out to Sharon. Got this hat for $20. So cute. And then I got some shirts and a little skirt. But I'm wanting to get some souvenirs for my family. These, just a little OTD. Glasses from Amazon. They're actually really cute with this fit. Bathing suit from Shein, two-piece from Shein. It got a little overcasted, It was a bit brighter, but it's a little overcasted right now. We're gonna do a bus ride and they take you around Jamaica, so that'll be fun. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next part of the vlog. Got a mocktail, don't know what this is, but I know it's mocktail. It's actually really good. Oh yeah. Margarita meal.
They go get Jamaican.
They have water here. It's hot. It's so pretty.
What else they got?
These are the barbecue jerk chicken tacos, or pork, and this is clam chowder.
Caribbean clam chowder.
Our food at Margaritaville. I got the tacos. These are the jerk barbecue pork tacos. And then we got, what is this one called? The coconut pineapple drink. Fire. And then yours, you got, what is this one again?
Caribbean chowder.
And I got the Caribbean chowder. What do you rate it?
The 10.
10. Rate the tacos at 10 out of 10.
It's strong?
That's 10. I'm not gonna be able to finish that. It's strong.
That's called a shot Jamaican
I
style.
want to keep this. That's why.
It's a shot Jamaican style. Go for it, Malay.
I can't take this whole thing. I'm gonna be knocked out.
Ladies and gentlemen, all along you guys think he was that? No, he was right here in Jamaica, having a time out there in the sun. And tonight he is here to walk you with his amazing performance. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, talking about a king of pop in the building tonight. Make some noise for Michael Jackson.
Sunday in Jamaica, so we are going to have an eventful day. Today we are going to do the water rafting, and we are going to do I think we're going to see the exotic birds today, so pretty eventful. We leave on Monday, so we still have, well, we leave on Tuesday actually, so we still have like a day and something to be able to do some stuff. So yes, I'm going to take you guys along with me to be able to do this stuff. I'm oily.
Remember going through these? I do, yeah.
Oh my god.
It's out. It's
No, it's in the car.
Oh, it's in the car?
It's in here. Oh, he's right there. I gotta go.
No. It's two of them.
Go.
You go. I don't mean to.
Get over here.
Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Yeah, mistress in the building. Get yourself on the windows. Shake it, shake it. Hey, let's go now, shake it. Hey, let's clap to the beat, to the beat. Clap to the beat, to the beat. Clap to the beat, to the beat. Clap to the beat. Let's go now, clap. Hey, everybody just clap. Rasta starts. Rasta starts. Rasta starts. Ladies and gentlemen, give us a lot for your mistress.
Oh, don't fight. Yeah, man.
Oh, he's touching your face.
No, that's all. That's gonna bite you. No, that's all. Mind your far. Mind your far. Just hold it. Just hold it out. Hold it like this. Look. No, they're not. You don't have to hold it out. Yeah, because you're hungry.
Hey guys, right now we're about to go on the Blue Lagoon.
So that's a whole thing over there. All right.
And he should stand on top of it. So I am back after the last day. We're about to leave Jamaica. Oh, the experience was a 10 out of 10. I enjoyed the food, the people, the beach, the hotel. Everything was an amazing experience. Yesterday I did go to the exotic bird, go see exotic birds. And so that was really fun. I was getting tore up by a parrot. No, a blue macaw. My shoulder got scratched up. That was crazy. The little birds were fine. I got to hold a big rabbit. That was really fun. And I didn't have a lot of recording. I just have a lot of pictures. And then after that, we went to the, what's this called? Falmouth Mystic Lagoon. So we went to the Blue Lagoon, got the history, ate some food before, watched a fire show. So I do have some clips of the fire show in there. I do have some clips of the Blue Lagoon. I actually got in. I didn't think I was gonna get in at first, but I ended up getting in, and it was actually a really cool experience. They talked about the little microorganisms, how they turn blue. So I had some really cool pictures, and all in all, that experience was really good. I really enjoyed it. Jamaica literally owes me nothing. I feel a little tired. It is, I think, 9 o'clock. We leave at 10:45, and then we have a layover in Dallas for 6 hours. So I'll finally get home around 1 or 2. So I'll try to recap when I get back home, but we'll see. So yeah, literally all in all, the experience has been so amazing. It's so surreal out here. Just, you feel like you're in another world. It's crazy. And I've literally never traveled outside of the country. This is my first time. So as a first experience, it's actually a really good experience. But other than that, I'll try to catch up with you guys while I'm on the plane, or get some footage of me leaving. But I've been kind of forgetting to record some clips, so we'll go ahead and see. But yes, I was glad that I was able to take you guys along with me on this trip, and you got to see a little bit of things I got to see while in Jamaica.